शिपयार्डान MCMV प्रकल्प जो लॉन्च केला तो पुराय 2 वर्सांच्या बारीकसाणीन केल्ल्या कश्टाचे फळ आसा। हो प्रकल्प 800 करोडांचो आसा। फुडें 500 करोडांचो प्रकल्प येवपाचो आसा। RDX गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
Every equipment which will go in MCMV, every compartment of that we have finalized after detailed deliberations of almost over 2 years. And for that, Naval Headquarters itself must have organized minimum 10-20 collegiate meetings where from all the professional directorates in Naval Headquarters and GSL and KNC have participated. So basically all micro level planning, what will go, what will be the specification of the each and every equipment which will go into the ship has already been finalized. In addition, the 20% of the project cost is for MCM suite, which is basically the weapons and sensor suite. Total 32,000 ka 20% is MCM suite. That is the weapons and sensors. For that, we have finalized the specifications along with the Navy. We have floated the tenders. We have evaluated their price bids, but we have not announced it just because of this TOT collaboration to be announced. But the considerable progress has been made on this project.
That goes on happening because you buy so many things, you do so many things. One component of it may not fire properly in the first instant. They will do it again.
How much delay will take place?
I don't think there is much delay.
Sir, Korean technology at the main. So are we looking at some?
No. Korean technology, Korean technology, terms and conditions could not be